Hello fellas, welcome to my channel Graphic City. This is the first video of my channel. So in this video I will tell you about Photoshop. As you know that Photoshop is the basic software for graphic design. So in this video I will tell you about its basic things. If you are a beginner then don't be distraught. I will guide you so that you can use Photoshop very easily, whether for your photo editing and retouching or for your projects of graphic design. So stay tuned and be connected with my channel. So let's jump into the Photoshop. This is the main interface of Photoshop. Now click on the create new button and then click OK. A page will be open. First of all, this white page is your canvas. We will do everything on this canvas. On the left side you can see there is a box. This box is all about the layers. A layer is the thing on which we work in Photoshop. On the bottom of this box you can see many options like to create new layer, to delete the layer or to make a group. You can also merge the layers and also put all layers in one group. On the right side of the screen there is a toolbar on which you can see different tools. On the bottom of right side there are two little boxes which are being used for color select. The most basic tool in Photoshop is brush tool. So let's talk about the brush tool. To use the brush tool, first select any layer, then go to the color section and have a check that it is whether not white, because the canvas color is also white, so white color will not be painted on white color. Okay, so that's why select any opposite color. As you can see that I am using the brush tool on the canvas, but did you notice that its size is too much big? You can adjust the size by the bracket button on the keyboard, with the left side to small and with the right side to enlarge the brush tool. You can also change the style of the brush. To change the style, go to the top right side and click here. You can see that there are many brush groups like general brushes, dry media brushes. I'm clicking on general brushes. You can see that there are many brushes like soft brush, hard brush. I'm clicking on just hard brush. You can also try it. Again, the size is too much big, so I am scaling it down. Look at other options like opacity, flow, smoothing, and angle. These will help you very much. Do practice them. There are many options on the top mid side. Look at this butterfly option. It will help you in a logo design. Do practice it. If I look at this mode face, there are many options like normal, dissolve, behind, clear, darken, multiple, color burn. Do practice them. You will understand very well. Like I am showing you a clear option that how it works. If you right click at this dark gray strip, you can see many options like close all, new documents and open documents. On the top right side corner there is an icon. If you click at it, it shows you which tools you have used previously. Let's talk about hand tool. This tool is used when you have zoomed your layer and you want to move your layer. Below the hand tool there is zoom tool. You can easily zoom in and out your layer. On zoom tool there are many options on top mid like fill screen and fit screen. Practice them, you can easily understand them. deleting all these groups and layers. You can see that I have selected a new layer, but it is transparent. If you want to give a color to this transparent layer, then use key Alt and backspace. You can also adjust the opacity of a layer. Now let's talk about the shape tool. You can also make your own custom shapes. If you want to know how, then comment me. I will make another video on that topic. You can also see that the shape which I made is created on a separate layer. Now, if you want to merge all these layers into a single layer, then press the button Command or Control and then click on the layer which you want to merge, and then right click. There will be option of merge layer. Click that and these all layers will be merged. Now use the very first tool which is named as Move tool. It is used to move the layers, and you can see that I am using these all boxes shapes very easily on the canvas. Now if you want to save it, then press the button Command or Control S and it will be saved in your computer. Now how was the video? Please give us your feedback in the comment section and have a thumbs up on the video, and please subscribe to our channel.